How to add bio in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Here, there's a section of Edit Profile. Select Edit Profile. So basically, this is the place where you can customize and make different changes in your username and profile. Here, there's a section of Bio. Simply tap on Bio. So this is the bio section and you can write whatever you want. So basically, this is the place where you can express yourself to other people and people who visit your account. So you can write it down, and at last, here on the right top, tap on the save button and it's all set to go. Now this bio will pop up in your account too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.